Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M05 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now we have to open the settings. They should be in this upper panel. So let's tap on it. Then let's tap on languages and types and tap on manage input languages. Thanks to this option, we've been transferred to this list of available languages. Here you've got those which you have to download, however they are still available, and those with the switchers are currently installed. Yes. So just find the language you'd like to apply and tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that it has been immediately applied to the list. What is more, here we've got a new option, language switching method, so you can choose both or language key and a spacebar swipe separately. Basically, I'll show you how to use it before I'll show you how to remove the previous language. So let's go back, and now as it was set, we've got the language key and the spacebar on which we've got the name of the language we're currently using. So right now we've got the English layout, and after swiping we've got this one this language. You can do the same with the globe icon, so it will also allow you to change the layout. So in order to remove the languages, simply enter the settings again, tap on the languages and types, tap on manage input languages, and now you can simply tap on the switcher to remove the language, and as you can see, you've got one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.